Hey everyone, it's Nawaya Moore here, and today we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone looking to make some extra cash online avoiding survey scams. Look, we all love the idea of making easy money, right? And taking surveys can seem like the perfect way to do it. Kick back, answer some questions, and watch the dollars roll in. But the unfortunate reality is there are a ton of shady websites and apps out there that are just waiting to take advantage of unsuspecting users. That's why, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to spot these scams and protect yourself so you can earn legitimately and safely. First and foremost, let's talk about upfront fees. Legitimate survey sites will never, and I repeat, never ask you to pay money to participate. Think about it. You're the one providing them with valuable data, so why should you have to pay them? If a site asks for any kind of registration fee, a monthly subscription, or even tries to sell you on some kind of exclusive access package, run for the hills. It's a classic tactic used by scammers to make a quick buck off people who are just trying to earn some extra income. They know that if they can get you to hand over even a small amount of money up front, they've already won. So remember, if a survey site asks you for money, it's a massive red flag. Don't fall for it. Next up, let's talk about those income claims that seem too good to be true. You know the ones I'm talking about, those websites that promise you'll be making hundreds of dollars a day just by taking a few surveys. Let's be real here. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Taking surveys can be a decent way to earn some side income, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Legitimate survey sites will typically pay you a small amount per survey, usually a few cents to a couple of dollars. And the amount you can earn will depend on factors like the length of the survey, your demographics, and the number of surveys available. So be realistic about your earning potential. If a site is promising you the moon and the stars, it's probably a scam. One of the easiest ways to spot a scam is to check the reviews before you even think about signing up for a survey site. Do your due diligence and see what other users are saying. Look for reviews on sites like Trustpilot and Reddit, where you're more likely to find genuine feedback from real people. Pay attention to the overall sentiment of the reviews. Are people generally happy with the site? Or are there a lot of complaints about scams, payment issues, or other problems? Keep an eye out for fake reviews too. If you see a bunch of overly positive reviews that all sound like they were written by the same person, that's a major red flag. Remember, real reviews can be your secret weapon in the fight against survey scams. Another crucial step in avoiding survey scams is to research the company behind the site. Don't just blindly trust a website because it looks professional or has a catchy name. Take a few minutes to dig a little deeper. Look up the company on Google, check if they have a website, and see if you can find any information about their history or reputation. A legitimate survey company will have a transparent online presence. They'll have a professional website with clear contact information, and you should be able to find information about them from reputable sources. If you can't find any information about a company or if something seems off, trust your gut and move on. I mentioned this earlier, but it's worth repeating. Trustpilot and Reddit are your best friends when it comes to researching survey sites. These platforms are goldmines for honest, unfiltered reviews from real users. You'll find detailed feedback about everything from payout experiences to customer service to the overall legitimacy of the site. On Trustpilot, look for sites with a high rating and a large number of reviews. Pay attention to the breakdown of positive and negative reviews, and read through some of the comments to get a feel for what people are saying. Reddit is another great resource. Check out subreddits like r/beermoney or r/workonline for discussions and reviews of different survey sites. When in doubt, stick to well-known survey platforms with a proven track record of paying their users. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research have been around for years and have millions of users worldwide. They have established reputations and are known for their legitimate payout systems. While you might not get rich quick with these sites, you can trust that you'll be able to earn some extra cash in your spare time without worrying about getting scammed. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Choose reputable platforms and avoid any site that seems suspicious. So there you have it, my top tips for avoiding survey scams and making sure you're earning legitimately online. Remember, if something feels off, it probably is. Trust your gut, do your research, and don't be afraid to walk away from any site that seems suspicious. There are plenty of legitimate ways to make money online, and taking surveys can be a great option if you know what to look for. Just remember to be cautious, use your common sense, and always prioritize your safety and security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Stay safe out there.